In this tutorial, we'll explore a time-saving method to create multiple Instagram posts using Canva and ChatGPT. Begin by opening ChatGPT and inputting a prompt to generate 30 days worth of Instagram post content. Once satisfied, copy the generated content and paste it into an Excel sheet. Save the sheet as a CSV file. Now, let's move on to Canva. Log into your Canva account, search for an Instagram post, and select a design of your choice. Adjust the elements to your preference. On the left side, under the Apps section, locate the Bulk Create option. Click on it. You'll find two choices: manually add data or upload a CSV file. Opt for the latter and connect the data. Voila! You now have 30 Instagram posts created in less than 30 minutes.